What is going on, guys? Chris Barr first here. We're back in Storm Chasers, and yes, folks, we're back once again, and it has been a while since we played a game like this. And we got a couple of tornado warnings like that. Last time I played this game was very fun, and we're gonna be playing it again. But yeah, let's see what we got going on the computers here today. Yeah, we got a tornado warning down here. Um, yeah, we should head down that way. Definitely. There we go. We got 3 pros. We should definitely head down that way, because it is supposedly supposed to be very bad down there right now. So we're gonna head down there, and we'll see you guys when we get down there. Folks, yeah. We have we definitely got a tornado warning down for this area. I see the tornado. We have tornado sirens going off. Sounds like a thunderbolt, federal single thunderbolt. That's not just one thunderbolt. I hear many of them. Yeah, we should definitely stay away from that. Wow, that is creepy ambience. Wow. Oh my god. That is actually scary. Okay, that is creepy. Okay, there is a tornado over there. We are going to go ahead and get out of here and see what kind of, we're in Cornwall right now. I don't know if it's still called that in this game or not, but this is insane. This is a huge I'm going to say F2 tornado here. Yeah, this one, we get down here, man, that ambience is scary of those thunderbolts. Oh, there it is. Okay, yep. Get out. Holy man. Okay. I'm taking damage. Okay, let's get some quick ambience on this tornado. Okay, visible. Get a couple of tornadoes here. I am taking damage from this, and I still hear those thunderbolts going off. That is very scary. It's definitely in the attack mode. You know that. And we also got another tornado warning here. There's just crazy stuff happening here. Oh my god. Okay, yep. And we got cracked windshield. That's totally fine as well.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Dakota County.
Oh, Jesus.
Move into an inferior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
We got thunderbolts going on left and right here. So I still hear those thunderbolts going off. They are still being very creepy, but it's doing a good job of alerting the whole entire town what's going on here. Leave it at that. But my god, you gotta be kidding me. It is definitely scary out here. I'm not gonna lie. So where is this tornado warning at? Okay, there. Yep, it's heading into Lakota over here, and I'm tracking it right there. That is a huge rain wrap right there. We got tornado warning to our north now. Thunderbolt still going off here. Wait, is it? I don't know. I'm not gonna pay attention to it right now. It's just not safe on what we're doing here. Okay, we'll stop here. Oh my. Okay. Yep. I see a tornado over there. We're gonna pull over there, because I do see one. Yep, right over there. We're gonna get out and take a good picture of it. That is a beast right there. not even paying attention to the Thunderbolts right now. I'm just trying to get as many points as we can right here. Just trying to get as enough points as I can here. Inventory, update photos. There we go. Battery. There we go. We should probably get some extra batteries here. There we go. Esther, can you repeat that, please? Okay, to the east. Oh boy. That tornado. Is that tornado still? Yep, it's still over there. But we'll head over there and take a look. I don't see... At this point, I don't hear the Thunderbolts anymore. They must have just went off. But I'm not really paying attention. Oh my god. Okay, yep. Yep. Get out of here. Okay. I'm dead. Yep. Okay, let's go ahead and get a battery real quick. Because this is some nasty freaking water right here. Charging battery. Let's go ahead and install the battery here. Okay. Using battery 1. Okay. Get some more right there. Oh, I'm taking so much damage here. Look at that. Oh, okay. Yep, we've had enough. I don't think we're going to drop a probe there. I think that one's moving out of our vicinity here. I think we're going to head back towards Dakota and regroup there. See you guys when we get another tornado here, or if we get another one, or we just end the video here. Alright folks, so we have another tornado out here. We're going to go take a look at that one real quick, see what that one is all about. And I do see it is mean. Haven't heard tornado sirens going off for a while, but you might be hearing them again soon. It depends if there's another tornado out here or not. If a new tornado warning comes out, they'll probably resound the sirens again. The Thunderbolts, they'll probably sound them again. But until then, I don't think they're going to sound them anymore. Go ahead and turn right here. Oh my god. Yep. I don't see flying debris, but do have a rain wrapped one here. Let's see if we can get some probe hits on this one. Okay, that is a little too close, I think, but we're gonna roll with it. Okay, yep. You run a little faster than that. Place probe on the ground. Let's see if we can get some probe hits here. Okay. Let's see if we can get a photo of that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Okay, we're getting some probe hits on this. Yep, we're getting some data of the tornado here. This might be our last tornado for today, but that was really fun. Just want to see what happened. There's definitely been a lot that's changed here. I'm gonna get these scores. Wow, look at that thing. That thing is mean looking. It's only 4:30 in the morning. I'm gonna keep getting some more probe. We're still getting probe hits on this. I don't think we're still getting probe hits on it. You know, we're gonna roll with that. I think it's gonna move out of vicinity again. But we're gonna get the probes some more. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it back in the car. And folks, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's episode. Very short one. I don't think we're gonna get any more tornadoes today. We could get some more, but I don't think we're going to get like an F5 or anything like that. I don't think we're gonna be that lucky. I mean, those things. Yeah, it's removing our vicinity. There's blue sky. Yeah, but I don't think Wakota got destroyed on this route. Or we could just go check out the damage too. We could do that as well, but we do have some damage over there. Over here, and there is the other one out there. Or did it, oh, it's just noped out. Okay. But we still have this one out here. Oh, leg spike. Who cares? So, yeah, we could go out there and check it out real quick. But, yeah. Definitely want to upload everything right now. Load the data. There we go. Alright. So we're gonna go check out the damage. 716 points for me not being back in this game for a while. Yeah, I think we're gonna roll with that for today. Yeah, we're gonna go check out the damage. And I don't know what yeah, those them hailstones absolutely destroyed my windshield here. Like, I need to get a new, windshield. Yeah. Yep. I think we'll be alright here, but could be wrong. Okay. We can crash. That's fine. And we just broke the windshield too, so that does not help me any slightest. Okay, let's see. Any damage around here, or... Yep, there is... Wait a minute, no. I don't think Dakota got damaged at all. I don't... Well, you know what? We're not going to take this one. I'm not going to take this one at all. But, yeah, folks, our truck is absolutely destroyed here.
National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning.
Yeah, we're going to pretend that didn't happen. Yeah, folks, so until next time, I guess we'll see you guys next time in Storm Chasers. Thank you. Peace out, guys.